Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make the lock body to start with. So you're going to want to watch this video and then we'll go into making the different components of the lock. The first thing we're going to do is make the lock body. Alright, I've already set my working directory. I'm going to go new. We're going to name this the lock body. Lock-body is how I'm going to name it. Take off the default template check, hit OK, pick millimeter part solid, and we'll begin. I'm going to draw on the top plane, and I'm going to draw a square first. So I'm going to go top plane sketch, hit my sketch view button, and away I go. What I'm going to do on this to make my job a lot easier, I'm going to put center lines up and down and left and right. So I'm going to go to the center line tool, put a center line that runs up and down on the horizontal, and then I'll make one that runs vertical and horizontal. So I got two center lines in here now. I'm going to go select tool, get out of there, and then I'm going to go to the rectangle. I'll start in the upper left quadrant, left click to start, drag over till I see my little green arrows pop up. Once I see those pop up, I can hit end, and I'm going to make this box. Now it's going to keep it equal on all sides. It's going to help me draw the things I need to do a lot easier. So I'm going to make it 50 by 50. I like that, so I'll hit the green check. I'll do a default orientation. Let's just extrude that to, let's say, 2 millimeters. It doesn't have to be very thick. Let's make it 2 millimeters. This is just a prototype for a lock. Alright, now we're going to draw a couple little points on here that we need to make our lock work. I'm going to go sketch and pick this front surface, hit the sketch tool, hit the sketch view button, and I'm going to put a 3 millimeter circle right down here. That's where my key is going to fit. I'm going to do a keyed lock at 3 millimeters, and I'm going to put that down about 15 millimeters. So that's where my key is going to slip in. 3 millimeter, my key will fit on the end of that. And over here I'm going to put another circle the exact same size. Doesn't really matter where. Just make sure it's the same size, a 3 millimeter. I'm going to move that over probably 15. And maybe down 8 it looks like. Actually I'm going to bring that back over closer to me at 10. So down 10 over 8. It doesn't matter. You can set that wherever you want. That's your choice. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Let's go ahead and click OK. Do a default orientation. Let's extrude these two pins. And I'm going to make my pins 5 millimeters long. 3 millimeter circles, 5 millimeters long. Hit the green check. Now we're starting to get a body from this lock. One more thing I'm going to add is a little circle up here for my hasp to connect to. So I'll go sketch, front, get that front surface, hit the sketch button, hit the sketch view, and I'm going to just put a circle right up in here. Another 3 millimeter circle right up in here. And I'll put that over about 21. And up 22. Let's put it over 22 as well. Keep it nice and centered. 22 by 22, 3 millimeters. Hit the OK button and let's extrude that. Let's extrude this to about 7. This one is going to be about 7. And we'll hit the green check. And that's the start of my lock. And that's where I'm going to finish with you. Follow on to the next drawing with me. I'm going to do the little part that'll actually open the spring mechanism and allow the lock to open. So save that, make sure you know where it is, and hit OK.